Hey everyone, Ed Kiefer again, bringing you another Luxe highlight. Wanted to show you what the inside of a toy hauler looks. I did a video like this a while ago, but we had some more questions about what it looks like with all the slides in as you're traveling down the road. So I'm going in the door here, and you can see that all of the slides are in. That's your dinette slide. This is your kitchen slide. There's the L-shaped sofa. And as we walk around here, you can see the kitchen. And it's going to be really difficult for you to get to that refrigerator. You'd have to crawl over the dinette area there. Now, if you had the theater seating instead of the dinette, you could get back in there. It's going to be a little tight. As you can see, that's really tight there. But, I mean, you could, you know, get yourself over this counter area and get to the refrigerator. But it's not that easy to do. So that's what that looks like. And you can easily get to your bathroom and your bedroom area with all the slides in. So give us a call if you want to know some more about anything. You can just request a video and I'll try and get it done. So hey, give us a call at 844-284-6678. Get us on the web at luxefifthwheel.com.